Hi guys, it's Jamie here from Tackle World Adelaide, and as many of you have probably had your reels spooled up by us over the years, we thought we'd give you a bit of a rundown of what goes on out here and how we do it. So this customer has given us a 20,000 Stellar spool needing the 80-pound Power Pro braid, so I'll run you through the process that we use. Okay, so the main difference with this machine, which you wouldn't see on too many spooling machines around the place, is the hydraulic pressure that we can apply to the line, which gives it a nice even tension, putting the line on there really tight, making you get the maximum amount of line onto your reel, which is really important when you're spooling a big reel with some heavy line. You want to have that maximum amount of meters on there as possible. The other thing is the alignment that we can give you. It means that everything's going on there in perfect alignment. It's not getting out of shape. It's going to cast really nicely at the end of the process. Okay, so the next thing that we'll show you is, obviously we start off with the foot pedal, controls the speed of the machine. The next important one is the hydraulic pressure, which is controlled by this one. I can see what we have up here on the pressure. 80-pound line needs about 300 psi, so I can see that on this dial. And then the next obvious important one is the line counter. So it's charge per meter, so we need to get that set at 0, and we can measure off at the end, and you pay for exactly what is put on. So the first thing we need to do is to apply some backing. I've selected a 40-pound monofilament to have the same diameter as the 80 pound, so we have a nice neat knot. We'll go around the spool a couple times. Nice little knot there just to hold that on. Just pull that nice and tight. Trim off the tag. Okay, the next thing we need to do here is join the braid to the backing. Just a simple little double uni knot. We'll hold it on nice and securely. Okay, so now we're ready to spool the reel up. As you can see, we've fully spooled this reel. It's on there nice and tight using the optimum amount of tension. We've got 408 meters on there, so you've got plenty of line. It's on there nice and tight. It's going to cast really nicely. It's all ready to go for the customer. Okay, so now that you've seen how it's done, if you want to have your reel spooled up over the winter and you want it done professionally on a state-of-the-art machine, come down to Tackle World Adelaide Metro.